everybody! A lot of you have been asking for a pin curl hair tutorial, so here we go! First I take a little section of my hair right from the very top of my head and separate it out from everything else. Then I take 2 fingers and I roll that around those fingers all the way and take that curl and twist it downwards onto my scalp. Like that. I take a bobby pin and I put it across that curl. And then I take a second bobby pin and cross it. Just like this. Then I do that, trying to make sure that I have the pin curls all the way across the crown of my head so that I have good anchor points for the wig later on. I try to make sure that I have one right above each ear so I really have somewhere that I can pin the wig right into. So there we go, that's the very front part of the wig, and now let's move on to the back of the head.
The important part here is just to distribute your hair evenly across your head, working your way from top to bottom.
So I like to do 1 pin curl on each side of the very base of my neck as well, so that I also have good anchor points at the very back of my head for when I'm putting the wig on. Now that we're done the pin curls, it's time to put on the wig cap. So we take it and it just goes all over everything, all the way down like this. I like to pull it up over my ears and make sure that all my hairs are all tucked in. And then we go in with a U-pin and we put it in this way and then push it backwards right into all of the pin curls there. So we do this in multiple spots. I like to do it at the top here. I like to put one on the side as well, right into those good anchor points that we made earlier. Also, 2 at the very bottom here to make sure that our wig cap doesn't ride up. And that's it. Now we're ready to put on our wig. Thanks for joining!